In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Adding a new payment method is a straightforward process, but ensuring that it's done correctly is essential for seamless transactions on your e-commerce platform. Let's walk through this step by step, ensuring that your store is ready to accept credit card payments with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. Once you're logged in, this will be your control hub for everything related to your online store. Here you can oversee all parts of your operations, from product management to payment settings. Now, at the bottom left of your dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Think of the Settings page as the control center for your store's configuration needs, where you can tweak and adjust features to suit your business requirements. Once you're in the Settings area, look over to the list on the left-hand side and find the Payments section. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a page that deals specifically with all things payment-related. This section is crucial, as it's where you determine how your customers will be able to pay for products on your site. On the Payments page, you'll notice various options for different payment methods that are currently enabled or available for your store. To proceed, you'll want to find the option that says Add Payment Method. Click on it to continue. This is the moment where you'll begin setting up the credit card payment option, a widely popular choice among online shoppers. Once the prompt opens, you'll need to type in credit card in the search or selection box provided. Doing so will bring up the necessary options and providers associated with this payment method. Remember, selecting a credit card processor that fits your business needs is critical, as it can influence transaction fees and the overall shopping experience for your customers. Once you've typed in credit card and selected your desired provider or integration, simply follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. This might include verifying details with the provider or selecting specific credit card types you want to accept. Make sure all details are correct to avoid potential issues. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card payment method to your Shopify store. With this new payment option enabled, you're now equipped to cater to a broader range of customers, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Remember to periodically review your payment settings to ensure everything is running smoothly and make any adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Shopify endeavors.